Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy that uh, you clicked in to view my video. Thank you so much for that. Just a quick video here to teach you on how you can improve your Figma design skills. With just some simple steps to make it more animated or have some interactions. So let's begin. So use Canva or Pexel as a free image tool. So what I did was on Canva, I searched for the donut images, and then next I download, set it to PNG, click on a transparent background, and then select the correct images and download them. So this is one of the easy ways that you can search for high quality images to import into Figma. So here on Figma, as you can see, I've already got a template there. So what you can do is to prepare and import the images here. So first click on the ellipse tool. So create a circle. So the idea here is that you want to rotate the donut on the website. So what you do is to put the donuts along the circumference of the ellipse of the circle, sorry, and then align it correctly. So just use eyeball the size of the circle as compared to the donut. If you need it, enlarge the circle. Next is to select all the elements and group them together. What you can do is to put it on. So what you do now is you select the frame of the website, duplicate it, and then just change accordingly to the next donut color. One key note to take is to make sure we need to rotate the donuts back and forth so that we can tell Figma through the smart animate later on. This is how we want the donuts to rotate upon clicking them. So yeah, rotate forward and backward, because when you click backward, you want it to rotate anti-clockwise, and when you click onto the next donut on the right, you want it to rotate clockwise. So next, we have to link the pages together to make it a workable website. So click onto the prototype tab, link just accordingly. So the donut to donuts, so like the blue donut to the blue donut page, the cookies and cream donut to the cookies and cream donut page, so and so forth. So backward and forward. So follow the settings that I have here. Click on Smart Animate, 600 milliseconds for the duration, and ease out for the transition. Yep, and you're done. And thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. Hope it helps. It helped you in some ways. So please join my journey, my design journey, and click to follow or like the video for me. I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Thank you.